Do you think it's possible to get under a 10% ACOS in this current market? A lot of sellers saying no, but I'm going to show you 3 campaign strategies to make sure we can get your low ACOS into a long-term reality. And you can see right here, we have a client, $9,000 in spend, over $100,000 in sales in the past 30 days. And yes, this is practically in the holiday season, so it is possible to achieve with a 6% ACOS. You can see the spend per day. Not bad at all, but it did take a lot of time for us to figure out. But I'm going to be showing you 3 of their campaigns that we set up so you can understand what you could do and see if it works for your brand. Now, it's going to be self-targeted, and we're going to do the exact Jungle Scout profit campaign. So there's 2 types of campaigns here that we're going to be going over. There's another one that I'm going to be showing you in a second, but let's start with the self-target campaign. So all you're going to do is go into Amazon, and then you're going to open up a sponsored products. All of these are sponsored products, right? Next tab. So we're going to go all the way to the top, and it's going to be right here. Self-target campaign, super simple, Amazon and beyond. You're going to pick one product, right, for this campaign. Copy that ASIN, whatever product that you choose. Scroll down, manual targeting, scroll down, product targeting, scroll down, individual products, expanded. You're going to type in the ASIN that I told you to copy a second ago of the product that you added. Boom, add that product. It's going to show up right here. Now, expanded is super important because it targets a single product along with others closely related to it. This can include substitutes, complements, and other products shoppers engage with related to the original product. So pretty much Amazon is going to fine-tune your product and put your listing in front of competitors that are pretty much, or buyers that are just like this product. It's a great way to get a low ACOS pretty much. Amazon's doing a bulk of the work, and it's not just some random process, which is really nice. And you're retargeting your own ASIN, so you know the results are going to be pretty accurate, right? Now, dynamic bids down only. This is a great way to save money. Scroll down, put that campaign name in. I recommend to start with a budget of $10 a day. You could start with $5, but $10 is usually a great starting point. And then make sure this is turned off, and then click launch campaign. That's going to be the first one. It's usually going to take like 7 days to really see some results. So wait 7 days and see what the results are and kind of go from there, right? So that's going to be the first one. The next one is going to be an exact Jungle Scout campaign. Now, in order to run this one, you do need Jungle Scout. So Jungle Scout is a tool. There's a link in the description to access it and get a free trial, right? And even a discount potentially, right? So that's going to be a really good tool that I do recommend that you use. So we can see right here, this is going to be the next campaign. Once you log into Jungle Scout, what you're going to do is you're going to do keyword optimization. This is the tool, and then Keyword Scout. You're going to look at your top competitors on Amazon, whoever's making more money than you. You're going to put their ASIN in, right? Here's an example of a product. We're going to put their ASIN in. We click search right here. After that, we're going to scroll down, and then we're going to say any of their keywords that are easy to rank for. And then right off the bat, we see what some of their exact keywords that are easy to rank for. This one has 94,000 searches in the last 30 days. Garbage bags, kitchen garbage bags. So we can see these keywords are easy to rank for, meaning we can get to page number 1 pretty quickly if we utilize these keywords and we run our ads towards them, right? So we're going to pick the best ones that are related to our product. And this is a competitor that is making more money than us in the same category, pretty much the same area. So we should have really good keywords. And we want to pick 5 keywords if possible. Once we pick our 5 keywords, we're going to come back here and we're going to add them in. So we're going to scroll down, Amazon and beyond, pick one product again, scroll down, manual targeting, keyword targeting, enter list, and you're only going to be doing exact match. Now, I got this from the Jungle Scout I just showed you, that one competitor, biodegradable trash bags, biodegradable poop bags, green bag, eco-friendly products, reusable grocery bags. Before you add these keywords, Amazon randomly adds an extra keyword to make sure that you spend more money. But we don't want that. We want to make sure we're profitable. So we're going to exit out of that one that Amazon told us to do, and then add these keywords to the list, right? Scroll down, down only, campaign name, $10 a day, turn this off, and then launch the campaign, right? So that's going to be the first 2 campaigns for this process. Now, the important thing that you need to know is these campaigns will not do well unless your listing is optimized. If your listing is not optimized, people are going to click, they're not going to buy, you're going to lose money, you're going to be mad at me, I'm going to be mad at you, everybody's mad. We want everybody to be happy. So you can go to the link below in our description and get a free listing audit completely free. And we'll just be like, look, don't run ads yet. Or we'll tell you, hey, look, run ads. We'll look at all your top competitors and literally tell you step by step on how to improve your listing. So when you run ads, it does well, right? That's going to be a big part of it, because even if you're an expert, if you're not selling a product people want to buy and click through, it's just not going to work, even if you're doing the best keywords. Now, number 3 is an exact rank campaign. So once you've been running number 1 and number 2 for at least like 10 to 30 days, you can go into Amazon and you can actually pull a report. This report is right here. So you're going to go into Amazon ads, sponsored ad reports, right? Once you're in there, and then you're going to click create report right here. Get that sponsored search term report, download that report, right? And then once you download that report, it's going to look something like this, where it's just got tons of random data. But the biggest thing that it has, if you go to column K on your report, it's got the customer search term. So it tells you exactly what customers are typing in to find your product and buy your product. It doesn't get easier than that. This is actual Amazon data. So somebody typed in biodegradable trash bags. We spent 65 cents and made $400. That's less than 1% ACOS. So what are we going to do? We're going to take this keyword and we're going to put it in a campaign. We're going to put it in its own individual campaign. We're not going to put it with any other keywords, right? Because we know that this is probably a winner, and we don't want winners to be with losers, because winners might pretty much lose with losers. Okay, so that's at the end of the day, if that makes sense. Let's go to the last campaign. You're going to copy that. We're going to do exact 1 keyword. Okay. And then what we're going to do is just pick 1 ASIN again, scroll down, manual targeting, keyword targeting, exact, enter list. Don't you dare let Amazon put this on there. You're going to put that biodegradable trash bags. Oh, it's already on there. Look at that. They already know. Add that keyword in. Boom. We already know that's a winner. We're going to scroll down, down only. And then we're going to put the campaign name, the daily budget, $10 a day. Boom, and then launch that campaign. So these ones aren't going to spend as much money, but you can be darn sure this one's going to get you a great ACOS. When I only spent 65 cents and made $400, pretty hard to beat at the end of the day. Now, those are the 3 different campaigns, and definitely go through them to see what works best for you. But that's it for today's video. If you want more Amazon videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. Learn something new, drop a like. If you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel, because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, managing your ads, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. Links right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. One of our most popular service is our Amazon Advertising Management. We'll come in, we'll look at all your ads, we'll optimize them, we'll look at your listing, we'll say, look, your listing needs this, 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 this. We'll optimize your ads with this, 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 and then we can get you 10% ACOS or less. It's just kind of like step by step by step by step to make sure you succeed long term. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.